Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Waycar 150 pints Energy Star Dehumidifier. Experience industry-leading humidity control with the Waycar 150 pints Energy Star Dehumidifier, your ultimate solution for maintaining a dry, comfortable and healthy environment. Designed for large areas up to 7,000 square feet, this powerhouse efficiently removes up to 150 pints of moisture per day, making it ideal for basements, warehouses, offices or any high humidity space. This Energy Star certified dehumidifier is energy efficient, reducing power use and saving on bills. It's eco-friendly, lowering your carbon footprint. Despite less energy use, it maintains high performance and includes features like auto defrost and self-drying. By choosing this, you aid global energy conservation while enjoying top functionality and convenience. By integrating a smart control panel, the dehumidifier allows you to control the unit in an easy manner. The humidity reading display helps maximize the convenience to monitor the humidity, adjust the humidity level, set the timer. Simply adjust to your ideal moisture, it will smartly sense room humidity and control dehumidification to maintain preset humidity levels. Control locks help to avoid potential hazards caused by inadvertent operation. Equipped with a high-efficiency compressor and smart humidity sensor, the Waycar dehumidifier automatically adjusts operation based on the ambient humidity levels. Its Energy Star certification ensures energy-saving performance without sacrificing power, helping you lower electricity costs while protecting your home from mold, mildew, and damp-related damage. Whether you're battling seasonal humidity or long-term damp issues, the Waycar 150 pints dehumidifier offers reliable, energy-efficient protection with sleek modern design and intuitive controls. Breathe easier, live better. Our second best dehumidifier for drying clothes is Viagaso 2,500 square foot dehumidifiers. Keep your living space dry, comfortable and protected with the Viagaso 2,500 square foot dehumidifier. Designed for medium to large rooms, this high-performance unit removes up to 34 pints of moisture per day, making it ideal for basements, bedrooms, bathrooms, laundry rooms and more. Engineered with precision, the Viagaso dehumidifier offers smart humidity control with adjustable settings, a digital LED display and a built-in 24-hour timer. Whether you're dealing with seasonal humidity or everyday dampness, it works quietly and efficiently to prevent mold, mildew and musty odors. With two drainage options, you can maintain a dry and comfortable room by selecting the drainage option that best suits your needs. When the water tank is full, our dehumidifier will automatically stop under the manual drainage option and an indicator light will turn on to remind you to empty the tank. Alternatively, you can drain the gathered water continuously without ever having to empty the bucket by using the drainage hose that is included with the automated drainage option. Third choice in our list is Velgu Dehumidifier. Tackle excess moisture with confidence using the Velgu Dehumidifier, a reliable and energy-efficient solution designed to create a drier, healthier indoor environment. Whether you're dealing with damp basements, humid bedrooms or muggy laundry rooms, Velgu delivers consistent performance with modern features and quiet operation. Built with advanced dehumidification technology, this unit effectively removes up to 52 pints of moisture per day, model dependent, making it perfect for spaces up to 4,500 square feet. The easy-to-use digital control panel lets you set your desired humidity level, while the auto mode 24-hour timer, and continuous drainage option offer convenience and customization. Velgu dehumidifiers use advanced refrigeration coils, compressors, and fans to save electricity while effectively dehumidifying and improving comfort. Annual energy savings can power an Energy Star certified refrigerator for nearly 2 months. Choose Velgu for a greener, efficient future. Our dehumidifier auto stops or restarts to maintain your set humidity. The silent bucket full indicator ensures no loud alarms, letting you sleep peacefully all night. Choose comfort and tranquility with our dehumidifier. Our dehumidifiers for home offers 3 modes: continuous, comfort, and custom. Easily move it with built-in wheels and handle. Enjoy features like auto restart, defrost, child lock for safety, and a washable filter. Experience ultimate comfort and convenience. Number 4 on our side is Ayusevo 1500 square foot dehumidifier. Say goodbye to excess moisture, musty smells, and mold with the Ayusevo 1500 square foot dehumidifier, a sleek and efficient solution designed to keep your home fresh and comfortable. Perfect for small to medium-sized rooms like bedrooms, bathrooms, basements, and laundry areas, this powerful unit removes up to 22 pints of moisture per day with ease. Engineered for convenience and quiet operation, the Ayusevo dehumidifier features adjustable humidity settings, a smart LED display, and a 24-hour timer to give you full control over your indoor environment. Its auto shut-off function prevents overflow, while the continuous drain option offers hassle-free operation for long-term use. This dehumidifier with drain hose offers 2 drainage options. When the 2-litre water tank is full, the unit automatically shuts off, and a convenient indicator light lets you know it's time to empty the tank. For hassle-free operation, simply connect the included 4.92-foot drain hose for continuous drainage. No need to manually empty the tank. Note, the 21-pint capacity refers to moisture removal per day, not the water tank capacity. Last in our top 5 best dehumidifier for drying clothes list is Yaofi 80 pints Energy Star dehumidifier. Maintain a comfortable and healthy environment with the Yaofi 80 pints Energy Star dehumidifier, designed to handle large rooms, basements, and high humidity areas with ease. Capable of removing up to 80 pints of moisture per day, this powerful unit helps prevent mold, mildew, and moisture damage, keeping your home fresh and breathable. Built for efficiency and convenience, the Yaofi dehumidifier features Energy Star certification, ensuring optimal performance with lower energy consumption. Its intuitive LED control panel, adjustable humidity settings, and smart auto features make it incredibly user-friendly, while the continuous drain option and built-in wheels offer hassle-free portable operation. Yaofi dehumidifier is recognized as Energy Star, deliver cutting-edge energy efficiency along with the latest in technological innovation. Dehumidifiers for home by Yaofi work more efficiently with less energy and can help you reduce your electricity bill by up to 30% compared to regular dehumidifiers. It is the ultimate example of energy efficiency and environmental friendliness.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.